Hey, what's up guys? Mass Mechanics here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our brand new 2022 F350 Lariat. Power stroke 6.7. And we're not going to do too much. We don't want to avoid our warranties, but there are a few little things that we want to do to make this truck that much better. And it's beautiful. I love the new Atlas blue color, but the biggest drawback on this truck that many people will tell you is right down here. Now this lower valance is just massive, and you can see it really diminishes your ground clearance dramatically. Now I know they claim it's for fuel economy, aerodynamics, and all of that, but it just looks so bad. It's hard to even justify keeping it. I don't really care what the mileage is after seeing it. It just does not look good. So we were able to get our hands on one of these right here. And here's our part number. And this is our factory Tremor lower valance. Much, much smaller, as you can see. So we're going to get the old one off, and we will get the new one on. So stay tuned for that. You can see right here is our bolts for our valance, right there. And they run along the bottom, so I'll crawl under there and we will start taking this thing off. So now this is our view from underneath. As you can see, they put plenty of fasteners in here, so I guess that's good, so it won't ever fall off. But taking it off, it adds a little more time to it. Also, this bracket here we're going to remove also, because that's not going to do us any good, and it's just going to be hanging down and looking kind of bad on the nice smaller lip here. So we're going to get taking all these bolts out here all the way down, and then this should come right off, and then we'll start working on those brackets. So let me start wrenching these bolts out. So just to put it into perspective a little bit, this is our factory one and this is the Tremor one. Quite a bit different. The only thing that I have to do is I transferred these 3 clips on each side over, and now I'm going to bolt her right in. But yeah, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. It's just amazing how much bigger that thing is. I mean, it's crazy. It looked really funny. And these are those big brackets I was showing you underneath. See how far they hang down now? So we're going to go under there and pop those off, because I think it has to do with a plow or something like that, and we're not plowing with this rig, so there's no reason to keep those on there. So we're going to pop them off and throw them off to the side, and then we can put this new Tremor valance on and actually have the ground clearance this truck should have. So we got the big frame brackets off here, and they are 18mm socket fits them, and they came right off. They're a little tight to get into, but not too bad. Let's see, right here. So now it's flush basically with the bottom of the bumper, and we can put our new fascia, valance, whatever you want to call it, on there. And just to give you an idea, that's how many little bolts there are to get the valance off. There's quite a few. That thing's definitely not going to fall off anytime soon. So let's get to work putting this on. Alright, there she is, all installed. All the bolts line right up like they're supposed to, which they should. They're off the same model vehicle. This was taped under here, which is kind of cool. 07 29 21. So she's definitely a pretty young vehicle, that's for sure. But got that all on. So let's get out from under here and take a look at our handiwork. Well, there it is. In my opinion, it's much, much nicer. It looks more like a truck now. I mean, the ground clearance is similar all the way around, and this hides all the little brackets and stuff that kind of hang down, and some wire clips and things. But it still, you know, it's nice and high up, so it's not hanging way down like that big crazy one. So much better. Definitely worth the mod. I think it came out really good. I'm definitely really happy with it. And that's our first mod on our 22. And down the road there will definitely be some more. So stay tuned for that. And please hit the like and subscribe so you can follow along with all our projects, including this one. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. We're the Mass Mechanics.